Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to letter H. H is gonna be the first move that we've done so far that has some difficulty attached to it, I believe. So the point of me saying that is to make sure that you guys have patience with yourselves. When you do get to a move this tricky, I'm gonna give you the best possible way for you to work on it. But I suggest that even if you're having trouble and you haven't mastered it, I wanna get stuck on a letter. I would move forward, learn the entire sequence, go back to the things you're uncomfortable with or that don't feel quite right, and then get those perfect. But I wanna get stuck on anything in case something is a little difficult for you. So anyway, we have done the cheater stall and we've come out of the stall. So the next move that we would do is gonna be a regular stall. So how did I do that regular stall? Well, from here, basically I'm just throwing it back to myself. So if you just did this from reverse grip on the neck, regular grip on the body, I think that's just gonna give you the throw. And notice the bottom of the bottle when you do that, because that's what you're gonna be focusing on when you do the stall, because the only difference between this and this is you put your hand under there. But it's gonna give you one or two other ways that you can practice this stall. For some people, I've found it's easier for them to throw it straight up and get their hand under. I've also found for some people it's hard to make this bottle stay upright. It's actually, believe it or not, easier when there's liquor in the bottle to keep this upright. And it's a working flair move if you do it in that way. If you do it in the way I'm teaching from here, that's not a working flair move. Maybe you get away with doing 3 ounces or so, but after that, for sure, you're gonna spill because you're flipping it. One more way you can do this. As you get comfortable with holding it here, you can do a flip to flip. I found that to be easier for some people, but again, there's 3 options. You got this one, and as it's already there, flip to flip. Any way that you go about learning it, it's gonna take some practice. So work on that. The stall is one of the better tricks to finish moves on. It gives your audience a chance to catch up with what you're doing, to applaud or do the oohs and ahs. It's a very powerful move, any stall and flair, and that's a perfect one to get started. So work on that, and I'm gonna see you back in a little bit for your next letter.